Thumbtack. A couple weeks ago, I got a question from an attorney. Should I spend money on Thumbtack? The famous answer is, it depends on whether you can make money off of Thumbtack. Look, Thumbtack is just like any other directory, like Super Lawyers or Avo or Justia or any one of them out there. What's different about them is that they charge you per lead, and you have to bid on that lead. And those bids typically start at $10 a month. Thumbtack is a little bit controversial because they had money invested into them by Google, but then Google got really upset with what they were doing to rank well, so it actually penalized them. And now they're ranking well again, just not quite as well as they used to. And I'm recording this video in early August of 2022. So when you watch this, if this is like 2025, things may be quite different. But as of August 2022, I recently looked at Thumbtack and they rank quite well for when people are searching for lawyers. Issues that I see with Thumbtack, it kind of commoditizes lawyers and puts them into category of like everything else, kind of like the old school Yellow Pages, where Super Lawyers, Avo, Justia, and others are all about lawyers. Thumbtack is just a huge equivalent of Yellow Pages. So everyone is there, but who cares? As long as you're getting productive leads. And when I say productive leads, it's those leads that actually convert into business at a reasonable client acquisition cost as measured as a percentage of future revenue to be collected from the client. Got it? I will invest money into any directory that is productive, that is driving the right type of leads to me, that allow me to get clients at a reasonable customer acquisition cost. How do you know? Well, you should have a marketing company that measures the right outcomes for you. What are the right outcomes? Outcome number one, the number of leads delivered for the money spent. What is an average cost per lead? So number of leads, average cost per lead, average client acquisition cost. Compared to the other channels through which you're getting leads to determine whether these are reasonable or not reasonable. I always recommend having at least 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 different channels through which you're attracting prospective clients. When you do, you could tell which one is very productive, which one is okay, and which one should be canned, and that marketing and advertising dollars should be redirected somewhere else. It is possible that Thumbtack is going to work incredibly well for you or not. You have to measure to determine that. And how long should you measure for? At least 3 months. You will not know right away. Some key success factors: have plenty of reviews and have a competitive grade website. People pay attention to that. Even if you bid on the lead and you get that lead, but then they go to your website and it looks very subpar to the competition, and rest assured that like 99, if not 100% of all clients will never talk to just one attorney, will never visit just one attorney website. They will go and they will look at a plethora of websites and talk to 3, 4, sometimes 5 attorneys. For that reason, you have to have plenty of reviews and a competitive grade website. If you don't, do not spend the money on Thumbtack or any other channel through which you would be getting leads, because so many of those leads would be wasted, right? You have to get your ducks in a row. Plenty of reviews, high performance website, competitive grade website where you're not embarrassed when people get there and it looks super subpar or it's hard to find information, etc., etc. Get all of that aligned, invest money into Thumbtack leads, measure it over 3 months, determine whether it's a worthy investment or not.